Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. In this video I'm going to share with you a simple pumpkin seed pesto pasta recipe. So to make this you're going to cook your pasta according to the package instruction, and to a food processor I'm adding some grounded pumpkin seed, and pumpkin seed is a great source of protein. And next I'm adding some nutritional yeast, a bit of veggie stock mixed with water, then some chili powder and sea salt. The next thing I'm going to add is the basil. I didn't have enough basil at hand, but I wanted to share this recipe anyway, so I'm just adding the basil now, but in the description box I will put the full list of ingredients as well as the measurements. And the next thing I'm adding here is some lemon juice. And please don't do what I did here. I forgot to just catch the seeds, so the seeds got into my mix and then I was trying to fish it out and then just created work for myself. So just either squeeze your juice separately or use your hand to catch the seeds. And then the last thing I'm going to add is some avocado. Then I'm going to give this a good mix, and that's pretty much how you make this pumpkin seed pesto. And then you're just going to add it to your pasta. So this is a completed pesto, and don't worry if your pesto seems too thick at this point. Your pasta water will thin it out and allow it to just distribute across all of the spaghetti more easily. But clearly that's not what I'm doing here. I'm not actually sure what I was doing here, but doing this putting the pesto in the pot that you cook the pasta in, it works best. And then now I'm just garnishing with a bit of grounded pumpkin seeds and actually some of the whole seeds. And then I'm gonna put a bit of tomato on top, and this is the final product. Simple, vegan, plant-based, gluten-free dinner. Do remember to hit the subscribe button if you like this video and share it with others, sharing simple plant-based recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.